Hey guys, what's up? This is Carly. Welcome back to my channel. It's the L'Oreal Colorista. I used this before and I really liked the color. So let's get started. I love it. It's like paint. Comes with this little brush. But I would rather just probably use my hands. What I'm going to do is like do some and then I'll come back and show y'all and whatnot because I'm not going to be able to record me doing all my hair, but this will give you an idea. Okay, I thought I'd show you. So I'm using the end and doing and going in sections and then no, it's hard to tell, but okay, just an update with how it's coming so you can see. I know that it's kind of hard to tell, but I love it. Okay, I got it all put on. So I will let it sit and wash it and come back and show you the results. So I washed it and I'm gonna let it towel dry for a minute. Blue mask, painted my nails blue. About to get this blue hair. Stay tuned. Okay, what do you think? Just trying to get good lighting. Okay, one more look at it. Right here it kind of looks and the lighting looks dark. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.